Hey traders, this is Truman23 from TruemanTrades.com, and today I want to give you a quick video about trend lines, how to plot them and how to trade them. I will start with an example from the blog post. Euro USD, and what's important for trend lines. First, we need 3 touches to confirm a trend line. Yes, we have you can connect random points, random highs on your chart everywhere. They are meaningless, and that's why we need at least 3 points to confirm a trend line. We always connect lower highs or higher lows, yeah, for rising or falling trend lines. And I will show you it in an example here. Now we just look for lower highs like this here, yes. And let's connect the first 2 points here. You will see would be something like this. Yes, this is a not confirmed trend line, and we're ending here just cutting through the candles. So it's bullshit, okay? That's why we need at least 3 confirmation points, and the third confirmation point would be this one here. So let's draw it again. So see that? 1, 2, 3 points. That means this trend line is confirmed. So let's extend that trend line. So we see it's a confirmed trend line. Now just some adjustment here, because you have to see a trend line is not always a trend line. It's always a zone. It's like support and resistance. Yeah, it's not a line. It's always a zone. 3, 4, 5 pips ups and down. Okay. Now let's take a look here. So we have the first point, the second, and the third. So means this is a confirmed trend line. We have extended it. Now we're waiting for price to come back to the trend line, like here. See, the first time it comes back, it not touched it, so no trade here, at least for me. Then the second time it come back, here, the first touch is a possible short. Now it comes back again, we have another short. So what happened then? Price comes up. So no rejection here. We see a clear break of this trend line. Yeah, that's always the 2 possibilities we have. Either we trade the rejection from the trend line, or we trade the break. Okay, that's it. The 2 possibilities. We have no more left. So it means we have no rejection here. We have a break. So it means we could start to go long here. Yeah, to trade the breakout. So you see, trend line is acting as a resistance here. After the break, it in most cases acts like a support. Yeah, here not to the pip, but you have an idea from what I'm talking here. Yeah. So, and that's it already. That's it already. Connect falling lows for falling trend lines, and connect rising lows for rising trend lines. Yeah, that's it already. So I think in the blog post I've got another example. It was NZD and cut, I think. Yes, it was this here. So please ignore the other drawings here. Yeah, this support and resistance levels here. We just focus on the trend lines. Now what we have falling highs here, falling high, falling high, falling high, falling high, falling high. Yeah. So we take our trend line tool. Let's start here and connect 3 points. So already done. So let's extend it. What we see: the first point, the second point, the third point. From here on, we have a confirmed trend line. Means we're just waiting for price to come back to our trend line and either do a rejection, like here, short, like here, short, or a break, like here, and then go long. So that's it. Again, just connect at least 3 points for a confirmed trend line and wait for price to come back to it. Then you can trade the rejection or the break. And in this case, we again see that the trend line first acts as a resistance here. Yes, resistance, resistance, resistance. Then we break, and it acts like a support here. Yeah, with confluation factor by this SR zone here. Yeah, and then pops up. And another example, also from the blog post, is the Great Britain yen. That was this trade here. Again, don't focus on the other drawings, just focus on the trend line. That's this. Let me erase it for you. So, okay, now with time you will recognize this pattern even without trend lines. Yes, so trend line is just for help if you not have the trained eye yet. So we start. We have 1 point, meaningless. Now here, the third point means 1, 2, 3. Now the trend line is confirmed, and we have to wait for price to come back. So price keeps on rising here. It comes back. Now we are looking for a rejection to go long, but there is no. We just see that clear break. Boom. So next, we can either go short now after this break, yes, or we wait for the pullback here. You see that the tiny pullback here. Yeah. Now you can say, okay, good. This is one piece of the puzzle. Yeah, the trend line. Let's take another piece. Yeah, let's take the fib tool. I like it for pullbacks. It's just an example. Yeah, I know it's about trend lines, but why not an extra goodie? Okay. So what we see, what I have done here, I plotted the fib from the top here. Yeah, not this top, because you see that it goes down, price rises again, and here we start this short selling. Yes, means this is my number one leg. This is the origin of the down move. Then we break. So means this is the bottom where I plot the fib. Yeah, the 100%. So then price starts to rise here. It's not much, but it's rising and just hit the 61 Fibonacci. Yeah. So we have confluence by the fib tool, and the other side from the trend line, yes, was acting as a support here. After the break, it acting as a resistance. So double confluation means short. How could you have played it? That's the two opportunities. See, trading is not a black and white. It not depends so much on the entry. It's all depending on management, risk management, money management, cutting losers, letting winners run, etc. So again, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3rd touch. We are confirmed. We have a confirmed trend line. Now price comes back. No rejection, just a break, telling us trend line is invalid for long. And that's it. You always have two opportunities. Yeah. After a confirmed trend line, you can either go in one direction if you see a rejection, or in the other direction if you see a break of the trend line. And that's it already. Yeah. Please always use double confirmation by Fibos or support or resistance levels or supply and demand levels. Yeah, as I said, different pieces of a puzzle are leading to one trade. For sure, you can trade these trend lines on its own. Yeah, it's more risky. You will have more losers. But that's the game. Yeah, it's depending on your personality, and that's it. It's simple. As always, yeah, keep it simple. It's a key to success, as we know. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed and understand. If you have questions, just give me a mail, give me a comment, whatever. I'm here. I try to answer everything as soon as possible. And I hope I will see you in my blog. Check out the weekly analysis. Check out my new posts and stay tuned, stay hungry, and keep it winning, traders. I see you. Wish you a green week. Bye-bye, traders.